Sama yun. Ito pa, oh.
Look, Ian is a fish swimming siya.
It's aquarium. It's aquarium.
Look.
Wow.
Wow. So next.
Sino to?
What have
Ito, sino to, oh?
And
Kuya Clint.
tricky.
Where's Celine?
Nahanap nga niya kung asan siya.
Yes, so take it back siya, baby.
Kuya Clint and Ate Ayen.
Ate Ian, tricky.
Si Bench, oh, Kuya Bench.
Pakita mo yung link yung inyong dalawang nung balik kayo ni ano, sa
Perfect.
kaya silindi si Silinga.
This Ian, it's you, Ian.
Yeah.
You were right here. It's you.
Celine. This is Celine.
This is Celine.
Celine?
Yeah. Money about this. And about this. I want to swimming with my friends.
Yeah.
Me too. I want swimming. Wow, what's this? It's Iron, where you hat?
Where's your hat?
Look, the Iron. Little boy. What next? Regarding your lapas, Iron.
Ano nga, Mami? English Tagalog.
Oh no, more.
Ito. Kitty.